Hey guys, welcome back to PopItDk and thanks a lot for showing us your love, and the result is here. We are now a family of 2500 plus members.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, we have reached the benchmark of 2500 plus members and thanks a lot for that. Before starting with today's video, let me tell you that today's video is not a technical video at all. Today's video is about something that we all must be aware of. We all must see what we are going to discuss today. So there are various situations, or there are some emergency situations that all of us must have faced in our life or might face in life. That is, somebody close or a friend, a family or somebody meets an accident and we are in urgent need of any kind of blood. So what we do in such situation? In such situation, what we do is we simply put a WhatsApp status, we look for blood groups and all in our connections in Facebook and all. But today we are here to discuss about something, or today we are here to tell you how you can find blood group or donors of all the blood group in your nearby place, in your city, in your state and in your locality. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
All we have to do is we have to come to this website called Friends to Support. I'll open this. This is the website Friends to Support, and after opening this website you will see there are options of choosing the blood group, country, state, district and everything. Let me show you. For my place, I am from Kolkata. I'll choose this blood group as O positive. Let's say O positive is needed. Country I'll select as India. State I'll select as West Bengal, and my district will be Kolkata. Yes, and I'll let the city be all, and I'll click on search. You will see there will be a lots of donors available. See, these are all the numbers of the donors, along with you can report it. See, number of pages are 1, 2, 3, 4 and it continues. That means they have a huge number of list. I have chosen as O positive, that's why we are getting a huge in number. If we choose these two something rare, let's say O negative, which is rare, and if I click on search, let's see how many we get. Okay, O negative is rare, but still see we are getting so many results. At the same time, if any of this contact is wrong, you can report it. That means this list is constantly getting updated, and not only for blood group, you can also find the details of the plasma donor as well, and there are other options available in this left panel which you can check. Basically, this is a lifesaver. When there is a need and when there is an emergency, all you need to do is you need to dial few numbers and you will get the details of everybody who are willing to donate. And at the same time, you can also register yourself as a donor if you would wish to donate. See, this is a very good cause, and I'll suggest everyone, if it is possible, please register here and donate whoever is in need.
Now that was a wonderful initiative by that website, and do not forget to share this video with everyone so that everybody of us are aware that there is a website of this kind that is so much helpful. And do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button, because we will keep making these kinds of videos that will be helpful for all of us. Bye bye, see you and take care.